Learning everyday vocab with Just English. Hit as a verb， 打擊、碰撞、擊球，遇到困難。注意 hit 係唔規則動詞，過去式同過去分詞都係 hit 打擊。He hit the thief with his crutch。佢用拐杖擊打嗰個賊人。He hit him on the head。佢打嗰個人嘅頭。He was hit by a falling branch。佢被墜落嘅樹枝擊中咗。碰撞。Our bus hit a lamp post。我乘坐嘅巴士撞到一支燈柱。He hit his head on a lamp post。佢將頭碰喺一支燈柱上。His leg hit the goalpost。佢嘅腳碰喺龍門柱上。擊球。He did not hit the ball hard enough to score。佢冇將波勁射入網。遇到困難。We hit a problem when our captain was sick。當隊長病倒嘅時候，我哋遇上困難。We work hard when we hit difficulties。遇上困難時，我哋更加勤力。